How to reset controller settings on Steam. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is simply log into your Steam account. And then what you're going to do here first is to simply go to your settings down till you see controller. Tap this one. And then under external gamepad settings, you just have to toggle off everything here, but you have to remain this guide button focuses Steam on. So turn this one on and that's it. Now what you're going to do is to simply exit first your Steam account on Google web browser, or even here you have to exit. Okay, tap this one, click exit. And also when you go to task manager, you have to end task Steam application. So you can simply type S or look for Steam application, right click, and then click end task. For example, this one is a Steam application running, then end this task now. Now, once done, what you're going to do is to go to your local C and then go to program files, scroll down and then look for Steam. And then here, look for config VDF. Okay, right click and then you can open it on your notepad if you want. Okay, tap this one. And then once you open this on your notepad, you just have to maximize this and then look for SDL. If you can't find it, then you can just simply control F and then type SDL and then scroll down and look for that. Now, once you see that, all you have to do is to click or select all and then delete. Okay, so once you delete this one, you have to save it first and then you can exit this folder. So launch your Steam application again. And then after that, you just have to go to your settings and then go to your controller. And all you have to do is to simply enable this PlayStation setting here. Okay, this one enables Steam input for PlayStation controllers. And then open your Steam again and see if this one work. Thank you for watching this and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.